Puneet. Puneet Ahuja.
Your designation is what?
I'm working as a senior technical consultant for Juniper Networks.
Okay, sir, can you tell us about what all other services that Juniper provides?
So we are majorly into networking and security. When we say security, security means end-to-end solutions for securing large enterprises, specifically government and defense sector. And we don't only take care of the type of attacks which are entering the network, whereas we are also taking care of we are taking a proactive approach, and we are also profiling the hackers, which means like we are hacking the hackers. So we involve hackers using our technology. We call it as web server filtering, or we call it as Mykonos. We name it as Mykonos. This technique not only profile the hacker, but it also help us. We can track down to the physical person, so that we can secure our nation, we can secure our defense, we can secure our sites for government and defense as well as for the enterprise sectors. So these are the majorly modern techniques how we secure, secure and reply to the modern threats.
Okay, sir, can you tell us what is your brand's connect to an event like this where we have many stakeholders coming in?
So as we stated, government and defense is the major sector where hackers look after. So they look after to hack majorly the sites which can impact the nation, which can defame the nation. So our solution, our product line, can help the nation, can help the websites getting hacked, track down to the notorious gang of hackers. We can profile them. We can make others aware of what is happening. We can tell them what precautions need to be taken so that they are secure. Their information is secure. They are cyber secure.
Okay, and tell us about your association with Secure IT.
Pardon?
Your association with the event Secure IT.
So our association with Secure IT is quite, it's from many years now. We want to participate in this type of event. We have been participating in this type of events so that we can give what we are doing, what we are doing to help others take care of modern threats, modern hacking techniques which are being there in the industry, and help others to secure their network and secure themselves from getting cheated.
All right.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you.